The Riverton City landfill is a burning issue. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has been fiddling with taking measures to close the dump permanently. This has left a rotten taste in the mouths of the persons who make a living rummaging through the garbage. Observer Online trekked into the community on Friday, and in the midst of the growing concern, children were frolicking. But the innocence of childhood was lost on the adults. They were begging Holness to keep the dump and their livelihood active. 43-year-old Raymond Jackson, an employee of the National Solid Waste, hired to operate a tractor on the site, said if the dump is indeed closed, he's unsure how he will make ends meet as he has 6 children to care for.
It going to affect me and everybody who depend on me very much, but what we can do? We can only just do what we can do.
Jackson, who has been working in the area for over 20 years, added that he believes the issue is not only about closing the dump, but what he describes as a land-grabbing issue by the government. He said people who are calling on the government to close all the landfills in Jamaica should reduce the amount of garbage they produce.
People want to get rid of landfills in Jamaica, then to cut down on the amount of garbage where them send to the landfill. Riverton itself, we might get a collection in the scheme maybe once or twice a month. But other than that, everything else comes from outer road. So anybody where jump and I say Riverton stink, remember say outer road the garbage come from.
Meanwhile, 56-year-old David McCain, a worker employed to direct trucks entering the dump, told our news team that closing the site is senseless.
No, I say, it don't make no sense. Him lock down the dump. All the people I manage, all the people I get food from. Right, years everybody there, so I don't look at them. Trick them, raise them look 1, 2 hog and thing and go through. If enough for yourself, people will not suffer.
Yeah.
You say everybody get them look of food.
How long y'all work here?
Long time.
More than 20 years?
More than that. Alright, me there about in Gilbert time. Me there work. A long time not there. Okay. And if it wasn't for this right now, me down the road, up and down the man them and a bus shot.
But while our news team was speaking with McCain, who declined to appear on video, a group of children were seen playing in the Doheny River just meters away, showing a stark contrast to the concerned adults working in the dump. As we watched the children play, a boy covered in dust, aged 12, joined us on the bridge that separated the disposal site from the community. The boy declared that he just came from the dump, as he often assists the adults. A very aware child, he pleaded with Holness to not close the site. Shortly after, 33-year-old Deon, a man who fishes in the swamp near the dump, was spotted riding across the bridge on his bicycle, his catch in hand. Deon said he believes people will suffer if the site is no longer operational.
The youth them also feel it now. You know why? I just have everybody come on them look daily bread. You see me? I just have a close up right now. No for the youth them both out, them go rob and thief and tear down the whole place. So if we can leave part of it to make the youth them go and survive, it's more better for the youth them in the community. The youth them go straight and go out and kill people, which them not go do that. You see me? I have the sake of this closing thing. Yeah, but anything can go and means anything liable problem up just up man it done in about at the same time just allow the youth and them get our food side here.
Holness announced on August 5 during a special joint sitting of the Senate and House of Representatives that the fire-prone landfill and other disposal sites across the island will be closed. He confirmed that his administration has a plan that will see greater private sector participation in waste collection, the introduction of waste to energy conversion, and the commissioning of new and properly built disposal sites. Candice Haughton, reporting for the Jamaica Observer.